SDP meaning, importance and process basics odisha.b.in. School Development Plan, SDP meaning, importance and process. Introduction. In recent years, especially after the implementation of the Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education (RCFCE) Act 2009, the focus on decentralized and participatory school planning has significantly increased. In this context, the School Development Plan (SDP) has emerged as a critical tool for systematic and planned development of schools. It enables schools to assess their current status, identify areas of improvement, prioritize actions, and judiciously use available resources. The SDP promotes the vision of school autonomy, transparency, accountability, and community participation in school management. Meaning of School Development Plan (SDP). A School Development Plan (SDP) is a strategic, structured and time-bound action plan prepared by a school to address its short-term and long-term development needs. It is generally prepared for a period of 3 years with annual revisions and includes all aspects of school functioning such as infrastructure, teacher availability, student learning outcomes, TLMs, classroom processes, health and sanitation, training needs, community involvement, financial planning, etc. The School Management Committee (SMC) plays a central role in formulating the SDP under the guidance of the head teacher and inputs from teachers, parents, community members, and local authorities. Importance of School Development Plan (SDP). Participatory planning (SDP) ensures the involvement of all stakeholders, teachers, parents, students, and the community, making school development inclusive and democratic. Holistic school improvement, it helps in addressing every aspect of school development, academic, infrastructural, administrative, and social, leading to comprehensive progress. Resource mobilization and allocation, SDP helps schools estimate the required resources and mobilize them through government schemes, donations, CSR, or community participation. Vision and goal setting. It helps the school set clear goals aligned with the educational policies of the state and nation, like Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, SSA, Samagra Shiksha, and NEP 2020. Ensures accountability. When targets and timelines are clearly defined, schools can be held accountable for implementing the plan effectively. Improves learning outcomes. By identifying academic gaps and planning interventions like remedial classes, teacher training, or library development, the SDP directly contributes to better learning. Monitors progress. It serves as a reference document to track school progress annually and revise strategies if needed. Process of preparing a school development plan. The process of preparing a school development plan is consultative, inclusive, and follows a set of structured steps. 1. Preliminary meeting and orientation. An initial meeting is held with all SMC members, teachers, parents, and other stakeholders to explain the concept, need, and process of preparing an SDP. Capacity building and orientation programs are sometimes organized for SMCs and school heads by the Block Resource Centers, BRCs, or Cluster Resource Centers, CRCs. 2. Situational analysis and data collection. The school collects data related to enrollment, attendance, physical infrastructure, learning levels, teacher availability, classroom practices, gender equity, sanitation, etc. Strengths and weaknesses of the school are identified through SWOT analysis, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats. 3. Need identification and prioritization. Based on the data collected, the school identifies areas that need immediate attention, such as lack of toilets, shortage of classrooms, poor learning levels, etc. The issues are prioritized based on urgency, feasibility, and available resources. 4. Goal setting and objective formulation. Short-term and long-term goals are set in line with national goals like NEP 2020 and local needs. Objectives should be SMART specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. 5. Action Plan Development. This is the core of the SDP and includes detailed planning for academic improvement, extra classes, teacher training, remedial teaching, infrastructure development, classrooms, boundary wall, electricity, health and sanitation, clean drinking water, menstrual hygiene, financial planning, use of grants and other funds, community participation and awareness, organizing meetings, school functions, monitoring and evaluation, progress indicators, timelines, responsible persons. 6. Budgeting and resource mapping. The plan includes detailed budgeting of proposed activities and sources of funds, government schemes, community contribution, CSR. Resources are mapped from state funds, local panchayat grants, SSA Samagra Shiksha schemes, and other donors. 7. Approval and submission. The final plan is submitted to the District Project Office, DPO, or Block Education Office, BEO, for approval. It is also shared with the community during village meetings to ensure transparency. 8. Implementation and monitoring. Activities are implemented as per timelines. Regular review meetings are conducted to ensure tasks are progressing and corrective actions are taken if needed. The plan is revised every year based on previous achievements and new challenges. Conclusion. A well-drafted and effectively implemented school development plan is the backbone of sustainable school improvement. It brings clarity, structure, accountability, and collaboration into school management. By involving local stakeholders and focusing on the unique needs of the school, SDP ensures that every child receives quality, inclusive, and equitable education. It transforms schools into vibrant, community-driven institutions that constantly strive for better learning and development outcomes.